Welcome to Easymorph training. Today we will look at Autofil, get the two top records, append a record to the first row so that we only have one record at the end of the day. This is presented by Easylytics. Enjoy. I received this Excel spreadsheet where not all the fields are populated. You can see that these three cells needs to have Africa in there as well, and these three Australia and so forth. So I would first of all go and autofill the data that's missing. Secondly, I am only interested in the two top records of each ID. What I will be doing is I will look at the two top records according to the date, and then I would like the FTE, current FTE and previous FTE next to each other. So let's see how we can get that. I've opened my Easymorph and I'm going to start a new project. To start a new project, I'm just going to drag in the file, the data file that I want to work with. So here's my data file, and the very first thing that I would like to do on this data file is actually to complete the autofill. So highlight the table, add action, and just type in fill and fill down. It will ask you on which column, and it's on the region column. So I click on region and I apply, and you will see it auto-populated the values in the region column. The next action that I would like to complete is to look at the ID and the date and sort them according to ID and to get the highest date up top, because I'm only interested in the first two records of each of the individuals. So I will add sort. I'm going to firstly sort on the column called ID, and I'm going to do that ascending, and I'm going to add a column, and I'm going to add the next one, sort on date, and I want them descending from the top one. So here I brought in, it sorted according to the number and then according to the highest date first. The next action, I would like to number each of the records and only changing when the ID number changed. So I'm going to add an action. I'm going to put in ranking, and it says the running total. The new column that I'm going to add is, I'm just going to call it count ID, and the target column, of course, is going to be the ID number. I'm going to just count them, and it will reset every time that the ID number changes. So what this says is go and count the ID number. As soon as it changes the ID number, start with 1 again. So apply, let's look at the result. The top record of each record is a 1, and the second record is a 2, and the third record is a 3. And so this is exactly what I expected the outcome should be. From here, I will get to derive tables. The first derived table, I am just going to call and rename that to first record plus. I'm just going to copy this table and we rename it to second record. Now the first record, I'm going to filter out on 1. That is the top record. And the second one I will filter out on 2, because that's all that I'm interested in. I'm interested in the top 2 records. I have to add now these records to the records above and call that previous FTE. I select the first table, add an action, type in merge, merge another table. The table that I want to merge it from is the second table, and I will delete all the matching columns except the ID with ID. And the only field that I want to bring across is FTE, and I apply. and you will see on the right hand side it brought in FTE, and I can now rename it. Click on the column that I want to rename and just call this previous FTE. Apply. I can now delete this column, count ID. I don't want that anymore, and I'm going to add a calculation, and the calculation is going to show me the change. And all I would like to see is what's the difference between today's FTE and previous FTE, and enter and apply, and there you'll find the change. That's all that there is to it. Thanks for watching. Please visit our website easylytics.com.au or send us an email support@easylytics.com.au. If you would like to see similar videos, please subscribe to our channel. Until next time, see you soon.